Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio Edifice watch model EFR-574D-1AVUEF. Let's get started. Casio Edifice watches are known for their combination of functionality and modern design. Edifice watches are popular for their sporty aesthetics and are often used in both sports and business settings. Casio Edifice watches are affordably priced and offer a good balance between cost and quality. It features a date and day of the week function. It has a stopwatch and a tachymeter on the watch bezel. The case width is in millimeters, and the watch weight is 146 grams. It is water resistant up to 100 meters, which means you can also swim with the watch. Stainless steel bracelet and practical mechanism for opening and closing. It uses mineral glass, and the battery lasts up to 5 years. How do you like this watch? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us in the comments.